15. The question asks to find the highest common factor of three numbers, and this is 3 marks question. Alright, so to find that, there are different ways. The best way is the cake method. So what we'll do is we'll write the numbers. So 72 here, 90 and 126. Then ask yourself, what number goes into all of these numbers? We can divide all of these by 2. Okay, so what's 72 divided by 2? It's 36. 90 divided by 2 is 45. 126 divided by 2 is 63. Ask yourself again, what number goes into 36, 45 and 63? Is it 3? Yes, we can divide it all by 3. So 36 divided by 3 is 12. 45 divided by 3 is 15. 63 divided by 3 is 21. What number goes into 12, 15 and 21? It's 3 again. So what's 12 divided by 3 is 4. 15 divided by 3 is 5. 21 divided by 3 is 7. Is there any other number goes into 4, 5 and 7 other than 1? No. So in such case, you finished. So the highest common factor is when you multiply the ones on the left side. Just multiply these. So it's 2 times 3 times 3, which equals 2 times 9, which is 18. And that's your 3 marks for this question. How do you find it? Easy.